Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel, Oats and Company. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by today and hang out with me. I'm going to start out by making a cheesy tortellini soup recipe that I've seen on Pinterest a couple times that I've been really wanting to try. So make sure if you like this video to hit the like and the subscribe button and share my video with all your friends. Okay, so the ingredients that we're going to use today are chicken thighs, an onion, salt and pepper, garlic and onion powder, Parmesan cheese, tomato paste, and it calls for a can of tomatoes, but I'm taking some to my daughter and she does not like chunky tomatoes, so I just got tomato puree. Half and half, chicken stock, cheesy tortellini, and spinach. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is make some pumpkin muffins, and it is a simple recipe. It's 2 ingredients and then some icing on top. And my family loves these pumpkin muffins. I make these all the time. And if you really want to impress guests, you can make these and they'll think you spent like a whole bunch of time on them whenever you didn't. Okay, so our 2 ingredients are any brand spiced cake mix. It doesn't matter what brand it is. A can of pumpkin, and then cream cheese icing for the top. That's it. That's all that there is to it. Okay, so I will say that this batter's thick. So before I got this KitchenAid that my husband so amazingly bought for me for my birthday, I have burned up mixers making this recipe because it does have a very thick batter. So if you hear any noise in the background, it's my husband going in and out because he is working on our dryer because our heating element went out. So anyway, so the first thing that you do is just your cake mix and pour your cake mix in your bowl. I'm telling you, it's the easiest thing ever. And then we're gonna put our can of pumpkin in there. I hate opening canned food. You can hear the drilling in the background. We're just gonna work through it because he's gotta do some stuff. Because I gotta have some dry clothing. So, yeah. I've had my washer and dryer for 14 years. Try that again. I've had my washer and dryer for 14 years, and this is the first time anything's ever went wrong with it. So, pretty good. By the way, that's a Whirlpool brand. I love Whirlpool products because of that. Pumpkin. Alright, I'm going to flip it around so you can see it mix up.
for love. It's like I've been waiting around for you. Why did you take so long to come to me? Maybe you were waiting round for me too. So I feel you're some kind of wonderful, some kind of magical woman. My love's for real. I need to show you right now. Take a look at me now. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart has discovered. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart has discovered. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me and we're walking on cloud nine. Oh, we're walking on cloud nine.
I just want to get back on here and say thank you so much for hanging out and watching my videos and subscribing to my channel and giving me all the support that I've gotten recently. I am just beyond blessed about it. I hope that y'all have a good week. I know that times are kind of uncertain right now. The world is just kind of in an uproar, and it's kind of actually scary. And there's a Bible verse that comes to my mind. It's Psalms 62, 1 and 2. My soul finds rest in God alone. My salvation comes from Him. He is my rock and my salvation. He is my fortress. I will never be shaken. I hope that you have a great week. I hope that you can find some peace and comfort in that verse. If y'all need prayer, make sure that you put it in the comment box below, and I'll be glad to add you to my prayer list. See y'all next time. Bye.